Man, I know what you're thinking. Where do they keep getting these cars? Well, I'm not telling you. It's a lot of work. We've been going down south and rattling every cage I can find to get these great cars. This is a ZL-1 convertible. This is the car GM should have made. If you're not familiar with the ZL-1, it's the all-aluminum 427 motor. They had good racing success with that. But they only made 69 1969 Camaros with the ZL-1 427 motor. They were all hardtops. They're $500,000, $700,000. If this was a car GM had built, it would be millions of dollars. This would be one of the most valuable muscle cars in existence. But lucky for you, it's not built by GM, but the guy who did build it, that's what he does. He builds and restores Camaros. That's all he does. So he's got it down pat. He does a fantastic job. This is body off frame, nut and bolt restored. It does have the GM 427 aluminum motor. Very few of those were made. That by itself is a big deal. And it's pushing almost 600 horsepower. Watch the whole video. We're going to open it up, show you inside and out. We'll show you the motor. We're going to put the top down and we're going to start it up. So make sure you stick around. It's a code 52 garnet red car, Los Angeles built car. The metal's beautiful. It's laser straight, smooth as can be. You don't even feel the stripe. This is just slick right here. It's got the exterior trim package, the SS wheels. Put BF Goodrich tires on there so it's nice and drivable. Convertible top is new. Has spoilers. Has the right polished tips. It's a rally sport, so the reverse lights are down below the bumper. Notice the emblem, SS427. The well liner's new. The top is new. The top frame is all restored. All new glass, and look how nice it fits. Convertibles typically don't fit that nice. Jams are beautiful. It's a deluxe red interior. The deluxe comes with the molded armrest, rosewood trim, hockey stick stripe, has the cowl hood, the right antenna. This is just like it left the assembly line. GM hose clamps, got the big radiator with the curved neck, spring clamp battery cables. Every component in here looks new. Has the deep groove pulleys so the belts don't fly off at high RPMs. You go on our website, you'll see all the information. This car is for sale, along with a couple hundred other cars. You'll see pictures underneath of it. It's completely done. There's about 140 miles on this complete restoration. Inside the trunk is beautiful. Has a spare and a jack. Now inside the car, it has a lot of accessories. A tilt rosewood wheel, it's a power top, has the full factory gauge cluster, has the 140 mile an hour speedometer like the Yankos had. The radio is one of the updated retro stereos. It looks stock, but it's a stereo. Clock is converted to quartz. Yeah, it's got chambered exhaust underneath. Gauges light up, the parking brake light works. Windows roll up and down smoothly. So it's a body off the frame, every nut and bolt restored, 140 miles on it since finished. 427 aluminum engine, 4-speed posi rear end. So there you go. Go to volocars.com. This car is for sale along with a few hundred others. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've been getting the most incredible muscle cars you'll find anywhere.